Hello there, my tools. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. Welcome. And for my oldies with goodies, y'all, thank you for coming back. So today's video is going to be a part of my Christmas gift series. So if you've been rocking with me and saw my last two videos, you guys know I kind of talked about hair products that would make for an awesome gift for stocking stuffers, beauty baskets, beauty bags, whatever have you, but they definitely made for a good gift. So the products that I want to share with you guys today are logical gifts. They make for logical gifts. I feel like hair products are logical gifts. People have to wash their hair. They have to, maintain the care of their hair. But I feel the same way about our bodies. Whenever you can purchase products that are logical for the body, y'all get it. Believe it or not, people like that kind of stuff. Some people don't find that offensive. I know some do. But y'all, we are in a recession. Everything is going up. Get some things that make sense. In my household, this is what we have always done. Well, I do not want to go buy an expensive bottle of perfume, and I love the scent, but my mom doesn't, or my sister doesn't. So to start this video off, I'm going to talk about Dove. You guys, I am new to the Dove world, and y'all, I am hooked. Typically, I don't buy Dove products because normally it's a little bit pricey. But when I saw that my local store had the Dove body wash on sale, and it was like a 30 floral ounce, I'm like, ooh. So typically, a body wash this size by Dove would run you roughly under 15 bucks. I want to say about 10 or 11.99. I'm not sure. I caught it on sale for $8.99. I think it was $8.99. But it typically runs you a little under 15 bucks. So to get it on sale, I thought it was like, whew. And y'all, I got to say, I'm absolutely hooked because I love the way that it leaves my skin feeling. Now, FYI, I do not like using this in private areas, but I do like applying it maybe on my arms, my back, my legs, something like that. But y'all, it's practical. Everybody got to take a shower, bathe. Everybody got to clean themselves. So it makes for a really, really good gift, even if you're getting it for yourself as a gift. I typically like to have one in each bathroom, one for guests when they come over. Of course, my own personal and my own bathroom, but it's a practical, logical gift. And even if you don't want to get a 30 floral ounce, you guys, they absolutely have smaller sizes as well. So practical, affordable, y'all, who wouldn't love this? Okay, so just something to consider. Next, you guys, let's jump into facial wash. One of my favorite facial wash to use after I wash all the gunk off my face, I like to follow up with Cetaphil. Cetaphil is one of my favorite facial washes. This is a daily facial cleanser. You guys, Cetaphil is kind of pricey in my opinion, but I think one this size could run you about $7.99. It's definitely under 10 bucks. I know they have sizes that may be a little bit larger. They do have small little travel size if you want to give someone with some Cetaphil. Y'all, I absolutely really like it. It works for me. Keep in mind, I'm not a dermatologist. I'm just telling you of products that I like and that works for me. Maybe you use these products. Maybe you have some family or friends that use these products. Gift them with some of this stuff, because if this is something they typically use on an everyday basis, I'm sure they would love to be able to build their stash at home. So this would make for a good gift. The next one that I like, typically a lot of teenagers may use this or young folk might use it, but it's extremely affordable. I like it. I don't use it very often, but I do like it. And it's something that I typically will leave in my guest bathroom for those guests that come over and spend a night. I do like the Morning Burst by Clean and Clear. It smells absolutely amazing. This is just a light cleanser. I don't recommend that you use this to wash makeup off. But when you first wake up in the morning, and you wash your face, you want to hit your face with a little bit of cleanser. This is good, you guys. And I believe that this was under $8. So it's just something affordable, something cool to have. They do have travel size if you want to go that route, if you're going to gift this to someone. Something else that I really do like is the Sea Breeze Astringent. It is one of my favorite. Sometimes I do like using this. If I've just been out in the elements and all of that good thing, you wash your face and you just, want to clean all that dirt from in your pores. For those especially who don't like a facial wash, you may just want to clean your face with soap and water and then follow up with this astringent. This might be something good that you may want to use. Again, I am no licensed doctor. You will be getting this at your own risk, or seek the advice of a medical doctor, okay, to make sure this is okay for you to use, or any of these products are okay for you to use. I just like it. I've always used it. My parents used this on me when I was a child, so it's just something that I like to have, so I typically keep this on hand. But it's affordable. I believe I paid $7 or less for the Sea Breeze Astringent. Now, the last thing that I want to follow up with you guys is skin lotion. You guys, one of my favorite lotions, and there's many out there, but my favorite for me that I like is the Lubriderm. You can find Lubriderm at just about any store or drugstore or online. You guys, I like it because they have different ones for you to choose from. This one is specifically for dry skin, but they also have one with SPF. I typically go with the one with SPF, but here lately that one has been hard to find. So I have been using the normal to dry skin. I like this particular brand of lotion because it is a lightweight lotion. I typically don't like any heavy lotion like that. It's non-greasy, you guys, and I just like it. So I believe that this particular lotion is definitely under 10 bucks. I don't remember the specific price point, but for sure it's under 10 bucks. In fact, it may be under $8. Really like it. It has a nice subtle scent about it. I like it. I like it a lot. I know Lubriderm may not be for everybody because there's so many lotions out there to choose from, but this is one of my favorites. This might be yours. Maybe you know a him or her that you want to put on to Lubriderm and you want them to give it a try. Definitely a practical, logical gift. Not sure that it will fit in a stocking, but it definitely should fit in a beauty basket or bag. It's just something to consider. Okay, you guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope it was extremely helpful. All of these products, you guys, that I've shared with you are some of my favorites, or I use it from time to time, but most of them are absolutely my favorite. So if this is something that you like, let me know down in the comment section. Tell me, do you think these are practical but logical? Now, y'all know who y'all gifting, so y'all know if it will offend them or not. For some people, it don't offend at all. They welcome these kind of things because maybe they don't always have access to these products, or maybe it's a little bit pricey for them, and so it's rare and in between that they can get it, or it could be products that they wanted to try, but again, it was just pricey, so to gift them with it, to give them the opportunity to try it out, at least they love it. But anyway, if you like practical, logical gifts like these, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll see you tulips in the next one. Mooches.